पुरिस पुग्गलायेस भगवतो सावक संगो आहुनेयो पाहुनेयो दक्षिणेयो अंजलि करणीयो अनुत्तरं पुण्यकीर्तं लोकस्सान्ति तेन सत्यवच्चेन पादुकं रत्नस्य एतेन सत्यवच्चेन समागतानि बुम्मानि मायानि निरन्तलिके सप्पेव भूता सुमना भवन्तु अतोऽपि सत्तच्च सुनन्तु भासितं यसम्पकम्पियो ततोपमं सत्पुरुषं वदामि यो अरियसत्यानि अविच्च पश्यति इदमपि संगे कथनं वनिचापि सोकम्मं करोति पापकं कायेन वाचा उदचेतसा वा वाक्कोशो तस्य पटिच्चादाय अवग्नतादिञ्च पदस्य उत्थायिदमपि संगे कथनं वनितं एतेन सत्येन सुमतिहोतु अनन्तरुत्ते वरं नगेशयित्पादगामिं परमं हिताय इदं विमुक्ते कथनं वनितं एतेन सत्येन सुमतिहोतु वरो वरण्यो वरतो वरावरो अनुत्तरो धम्मधरं नगेशयिदं विमुक्ते कथनं वनितं एतेन सत्येन सुमतिहोतु मीनं पुराणं नवन्नपि सम्भवं विरक्तचित्तायति केवलस्मिन् देहेन तथागतं देव मनुष्यपूजितं बुद्धं नमस्साम सुमतिहोतु यानि भूतानि समागतानि बुम्मानि मायानि निरन्तलिके तथागतं देव मनुष्यपूजितं धम्मं नमस्साम सुमतिहोतु एतेन सत्यवाक्येन सब्बदुःखं विनश्यतु एतेन सत्यवाक्येन सब्बभयो विनश्यतु एतेन सत्यवाक्येन सब्बरोगो विनश्यतु करणीयमत्तकुशलेन पदं अभिसमिच्च सक्को ज्योतिषूर्यो यक्को कुलेषु अननुविद्धो न च कुन्तं समाकरे किञ्चिदेन विज्ञो परे उपवदेयुं सुखिनो वाके विनोन्तु सस्ते सत्ता भवन्तु सुखिसत्ता ये केचिदानुभूतो सब्बलोकं पियदस्सीनासको अर्थदस्सी कारुणिको धम्मदस्सी नमो सिद्धत्तो असमो लोके नान्यमन्यस्य दुःखनित्यय माताय कालियं दुःखं नायिषाये च पुत्रमनुराम् एवं द्विसप्तभूतेषु मानसम्भावे बुद्धाबलपत्ता पच्चेतानं च रङ्गम् अरहन्तानं च तेनेन रक्तं बन्धामि सप्तसु आकाशकाशकुम्भट्टा देवानागा महिन्दिका पुण्यन्तं अनुमोदित्वा चिरमहिन्दिका पुण्यन्तं अनुमोदित्वा चिरं रक्षन्तु लोकशासनम् आकाशकाशकुम्भट्टा देवानागा महिन्दिका पुण्यन्तं अनुमोदित्वा चिरं रक्षन्तु लोकशासनं देवो वसतु कालेन स्वस्य सम्पत्तिर्होतु वीरो भवतु लोको च राजा भवतु धार्मिको
Jadi lainnya and it's an honor and privilege that you all are here to grace this occasion. So I welcome you, and also I thank you all for coming, giving your time and your commitment for this occasion. And first of all, I wanted to give you a brief introduction of my institute, what we do, and what our future projects are. So just to give a brief introduction while welcoming every one of you. So actually, as every one of you knows, that I've been doing this, I've been teaching in the industry for about now 10 years. But it's not like this. It was my own thing that I did online and physically, but wanted to establish as an educational institute, especially as a language center. There was really a need of this town, so I thought of having to establish this as a language center. It's not just a tuition class. So we have a management. Actually, as all you know, this is my husband and also my sister will be helping me, and we are having some lecturers as well that we are having, but unluckily they are not here today. And we are planning to have a foreign lecture panel as well, who are well qualified university lecturers and experienced in their industry. And also we are having not only classes, we have a lot of things that we are going to do. It's not just for kids, but as well as adults, professionals, and anyone who is interested in learning the language. So we have elocution, spoken English, general English for O-levels and A-levels, and also we have IELTS, PTE, and we prepare the students for all the international examinations that they are required, because when they migrate, maybe as a student or a skilled professional, then they have to show their language proficiency. So I'll be guiding them throughout the program, how to score, how to get a good score, a higher score. And also we have diploma in English, and also we have certificate in spoken English given by Pearson. And also we have speech and drama, public speaking, and another special course that is professionalism and mannerism, which is a really new concept for everyone. I think only maybe you already know about this, as I was doing few classes for ladies and especially for professionals, and especially targeting how to behave, how to dress well accordingly, according to the function. And especially it's not about the behavior, it's a way of interacting with each other, how to have the eye contact, how to, especially when you go to a 5-star hotel, there is a way of behaving, there's a way of having a special etiquette at that specific moment. So I wanted to give this knowledge to our crowd, our adults, and not only adults. From this small age, I am preparing my students, not only the language, but how to behave in a well-class society, how to go to a 5-star hotel, and how to behave in that kind of an atmosphere. So not only the dress code, how to behave, what kind of manners the kids should learn. So all the things will be guided throughout the program. And that's another program. And we have accreditations with British Council, as I was as a British Council trainer, and I have already qualified TEFL, Teaching English as a Foreign Language, and TESOL and CELTA from British Council. And if I tell about my educational qualifications, I got the Bachelor of Business Administration from University of Bedfordshire, UK. And also doing the Masters at the moment, counseling, and the Diploma in Literature. And also, as all you know, I'm working for a prestigious educational institute in Sri Lanka, the #1 foreign education provider for campus. So I've been working there as a lecturer and also an educational consultant for Australia. And in my academy, we have Pearson exams, which is actually for kids and adults as well, regarding their language proficiency, EdExcel and their Cambridge Assessment English, and also the University of West London in UK. So we have these accreditations the students will be able to can face the examinations and get the certificates from Britain, and that will be another milestone where they will be getting the certificates from a small age. And on behalf apart from that, we have local elocution examinations as well, like WFS, CalSTAR, Mystical Rose, Venue. But then mainly, I didn't want to promote Venue because I was a student and my teacher is still teaching there, and I have my colleagues there who are my best friends from my class. So as an honor for my teacher, I'm not promoting Venue because she's still teaching. So I didn't want to have a competition with my teacher. So therefore, I have the other accreditations as well. And for whom, as I said earlier, this is not just a tuition class. We give a proper vocabulary training for our kids, like how to pronounce the words properly in the British way. As in Sri Lanka, we need to learn British English. So there are some certain things that we don't know about pronunciation, some certain of words and intonation, and some certain things that we have to teach our kids from the beginning. And not only that, we have grammar, writing, reading, listening, and we have an e-platform as well. And we do, as I said earlier, personal grooming, personality building, everything can be done here. And we are going to arrange workshops in the future to enhance their psychological level, the mental level, and how to motivate my students. And so we have few examinations. I'm not going to describe more because you may already know about Pearson examinations and Cambridge Assessment English. I'll be guiding my students for all these examinations in Pearson and Cambridge. So they will be getting the certificate from Cambridge and Edexcel and Pearson. And so the Pearson certificate will be given for the course certificate in spoken English, and also they will be getting a diploma in English given by Let's Learn English Academy, and we are working on having an accreditation in the future to give the diploma with the Pearson or British Council with the accreditation, with the certificate. And from the beginning, we are maintaining a student file from the beginning. Where once they enter our premises, we are opening a student file. So we will keep that, we will maintain that till the end, till they go to the A-levels. So we are having one student file. And we are organizing this area. So as you can see, this is not partition, this is like one hall, but we are going to have a kids activity area here. And also we are going to establish a mini library for our students. And this will be working as a homework center, especially targeting students who are going to international schools, because most of the parents, they are unable to help with the homework. So our members can come after school and our staff will guide them for their homework, with their homework. So that facility is also given, but not this month, obviously from August. And we are having a speaking club for our students. It's like a Toastmaster club. They can become a member, so they can only speak with our partners. So we are organizing to have a team, a foreign team with us, that students can come or they can start with online, where our lecture panel will give us time slot and just only for speaking. So we are going to open that. So it will take about 2 months because we need to hire a good staff for that and have an e-platform to create a platform for that as well. And also parents meetings, we are going to have parents meetings every year. And we prepare for interviews. This is not only for kids. Some parents, because when I was in the industry, I got a lot of people coming to me because they had a fear of facing interviews. They didn't know how to behave, how to wear, how to prepare their CV, and also what kind of a dress code that they should have. So I was giving as a consultation how to wear properly, how to talk properly, and how to prepare your CV to attract you as a candidate. So for those people, not only job interviews, but for parents, once they go to a school to have their child entered, so they will have to have a small interview, especially for international schools. So the privacy is there. It's really confidential. Parents can come, they can have individual consultation with me, and I will be guiding for those interviews, maybe not only job interview, university interviews and all kind of interviews. As I said earlier, we have professionalism and mannerism courses. It's not like a course, it's just like a program where you can enhance your social skills, communication skills, and your, you can say, etiquette, how to behave, how to eat properly, how to talk with a person properly, especially how to walk properly. Everything can be taught out in a professional way. And especially body language, personal grooming, and as I said, presentation and communication skills, because a lot of students, and not only students, adults also, they don't have proper presentation skills. How to create a good presentation, how to present it in front of an audience. So we teach these things from the beginning for our kids. We are going to create a stage here, and we allow the students, we will have a one-day session. We will allow our students to come inside. In advance, they will be prepared for a speech, and they will have the mic. So how to talk to an audience, we are teaching them as well. And as I said, counseling seminars and psychological workshops with good doctors. We have a panel of, already we have discussed with some certain doctors in the industry where we can give good things to our children. And that's it. Alright, so that's all about my institute. So this will be the website launching. I welcome all of you, and I really thank every one of you to be a part of this function. So you can enjoy the afternoon, you can have lunch, and meanwhile we will just launch our website as well. So once again, thank you so much for participating. So all the details are there about the courses, about the programs, about the activities that we are having, and what our future projects are. So it will be easy for our students, and also we are going to have a new platform where our students can enter as a student and register as a student, and where parents can download the student reports, check their attendance, check their exam results. So we will have a platform inside the website as well, where parents can see what their children are doing during all the classes. So this is the website. You can visit and you can share with your friends and your known ones. And thank you. And I want to, especially I forgot to mention, I need to thank my parents, my family, and my office colleagues, where they, without their support, I'm not here. So with their dedication, with their commitment and their support, I'm here. So I need to thank my family, my husband, and also my office staff for being with me throughout my life, actually, throughout my life.